everyone, welcome to my channel Tate's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make very simple and tasty Madras Rasam. To begin with the recipe, take a mixer jar, add coriander leaves, add 1 inch ginger, add 6 to 7 garlic cloves, add 1 tablespoon cumin or jeera seeds, add half tablespoon black pepper and make a smooth paste. Now take a vessel, add 2 to 3 tablespoon oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, add 2 dried red chillies and 3 green chillies according to the spice required. Add freshly prepared masala paste. Add 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder and give it a good mix. Here I am adding half cup of tur dal and 1 tomato, cooked and kept it separately. Now mix it with the masala paste and allow it to boil. Now add water according to the consistency required and boil it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now add salt to taste, add 1 tablespoon tamarind concentrate, add half tablespoon sambar powder and give it a mix. Once the rasam is ready, add freshly chopped coriander leaves and turn off the flame. Try this simple Madras Rasam recipe at home and do comment in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification of my further videos. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.